Cloud computing technologies has exploded in popularity in recent years. Salesforce is one such technology that has had a significant impact on the computer world. Let us see how it all began. Customer relationship management (CRM) solutions used to be housed on a company's own server before Salesforce. Can you imagine how much money and effort it required for business to develop their own CRM systems? It used to take months, if not years, to set up, and the cost might easily reach millions of dollars. They were difficult to use even when they were set up. What is a reasonable answer to this problem? I'm sure you guessed it right. Creating affordable CRM software and delivering it as a service totally online. Salesforce has founded on this principle. Salesforce began as a software as a service company and has since evolved to become the world's fifth largest software company. So let's see, what is Salesforce. Salesforce is a cloud-based software as a service provider, which means it maintains an online application that customers can use. It is based on a subscription-based pay-as-you-go business model. Now let's check, how does Salesforce work. Customer 360 is the world's number one CRM enabling digital processes for the new way of working by simplifying communications and information exchange between customers, teams, and partners. It provides tools that brings all teams together around a single shared view of client data on an integrated platform, including marketing, sales, commerce, service, and IT. How? Companies can fix customer issues faster because they have a holistic perspective of each consumer. It also reduces communication redundancy and enables highly tailored interactions. Now let's check, what are the different certifications for Salesforce. There are various certifications for getting certified in Salesforce, like Salesforce Administrator, Salesforce App Builder, Salesforce Developer, Salesforce Platform Developer. So let's check, what are the different benefits of Salesforce. Number 1, Salesforce allows you to go from idea to app in the shortest amount of time. Salesforce customers generally say that it's unique for 3 major reasons: fast, easy, and effective. Because Salesforce is hosted in the cloud, your staff may access it from any computer with an internet connection. Salesforce is also cost effective, especially when you consider its extensive feature set. Salesforce is suitable for both startups and small businesses. Now let's see the salary prospects of a Salesforce professional in India. An entry-level Salesforce developer with less than 1 year of experience can expect to make an average total salary of Rs 3 lakh per annum, while an experienced Salesforce developer with 10 to 19 years of experience gets an average total salary of 14 lakh per annum. In the US, an entry-level Salesforce developer with less than 1 year of experience can expect to make an average total compensation of $65,000, while an experienced Salesforce developer with around 10 to 19 years of experience gets an average total salary of $116,000.